Hello student, today I am going to discuss October number 2017 presentation part. Presentation part is belongs to paper 2 definitely, and it is the last part of the paper 2 will merge after that presentation. Talk 6. Okay, what they are discussing here, that examiner, what they mention here, you are required to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Unless otherwise instructed, slides should display a title and a bulleted list. Create a presentation of 6 slides using the file n17growth.rtf. Okay, first what you have to do, first you have to open Microsoft PowerPoint. After that, according to the question paper, you have to import this file n17growth.rtf, and it will be 6 slides. So directly you can do one thing, just file, open, then my data file belongs to the desktop 02. From here you'll see it is showing empty. So what you have to do, you need to click here and all files. So my file name is n17growths. Now you can check 6 slides is presented here. Now next one, create a master slide to display the following features on all slides. The company logo n17logo.jpg positioned in top right corner appropriately sized with the expectation maintained. Now what you have to do, you have to design your master slide. For that you need to go to view and slide master. Okay, so many students ask me, sir, from which slide I will start. So you see that left side computer automatically select one slide, that is the last slide. So which one computer select automatically, you can start from there. So first of all, what you have to do, first you read the question, how they are asking for your center number, candidate number. Your name, center number, candidate number, bottom right corner, and automated slide number in the bottom left corner. So they mention which side you have to give your center number, candidate number, even the slide number. So in that case, what you will do, you will delete this part. If they don't mention which side, you have to give your name, center number, candidate number, and even that page number. That time we'll do in other process. I will show you in other presentation part. So now what you have to do, you have to keep some space for your logo. According to the question paper, you have to keep on logo, right? Now what is the name of the logo? The company logo, n17 logo. So what you have to do, first go to insert menu, picture, desktop 02. This is the logo, top right corner, make it small and keep it here. Okay, now next one, a 3 to 4 point wide horizontal. So that means wide horizontal line, that means your line should be 3 to 4 points. Between these two, any number you can put, or you can put 3 also, 4 also, across the full width of the slide. That means horizontal line you have to draw, and the width of the line will be 4 point or 3 point. And below the logo, it should be below the logo, about 3 centimeter from the top. This is one important point, 3 centimeter. Now see, in some computer, some student computer, you will see that your ruler is not visible. For that you have to go to view and click ruler. Okay, even some ruler is represented as like inch, but my one, see, it is represented as centimeter. So how to change inch to centimeter or centimeter to inch? For that, my one is already centimeter, so no need to change, but I'm showing you for your betterment, maybe your one is inch, so in that case you can change it to centimeter. So how to do that? Suppose if you go control panel, you have to go to control panel for that, and from the control panel you will see one option is given region. Click on that, and then additional setting. In the bottom part of the additional setting, then you see measurement system, it is given metric. That means if you keep metric, it will come in centimeter, but if I keep it in US, now check what happened. My scale became okay US, then I have to apply. Now my scale became inch ruler. This measurement is now inch, but I don't want inch. If you are on an inch, that time you have to change it to centimeter. For changing the centimeter, you have to mention here metric and apply. Okay, apply. Okay, close this one. Now check, it is in centimeter. So what they are asking in the question paper, you have to draw one line. The line should be after the logo and about 3 centimeter from the top. So from the top part, it should be 3 centimeter. Okay, so you can keep your line here. So draw one line. For that you have to go to insert menu, shape, select line, draw one line here and right click over the line, then format shape. It should be 4 point. I'm giving 4 point, 4 pt, and close. Done. After that, what we have to do, the text Tawara Cruise is black italic 48 point above the line, aligned to the top left of the slide. Make sure the text does not wrap. So Tawara Cruises, you have to write down Tawara Cruises. It should be 48 point, italic also, black and italic. So first what you have to do, from the insert menu you need to draw one text box and make sure that it is not overlapping with other line or other thing, and then you have to write Tawara Cruise and it should be 48 point and it should be italic also, black and italic. It is already black. If I check, it is black. Okay, done. Now next one, what they are asking to do, your name, center number, candidate number in the bottom right corner. So you need to draw, you can make this one small little bit. You have to draw one text box again. Bottom right corner you have to draw your text box. Suppose I'm writing my name, then center number. If you're from boys side, you have to write SA139. If you're from girls side, from our school, I'm talking about our school, then you have to write SX139. Then right corner part is done. Automatic slide number in the bottom left corner. Again you need to draw one text box. Sorry, not slide number. One text box, bottom left corner, and then again insert, click on slide number. You'll see one hash sign symbol will come. Okay, when it will come out from the master view, then it will show you number 1, 2, 3 like that. Now anything left, apply all master slide elements to all slide. Make sure that master slide elements, text or chart, no master slides elements, comma, text or chart overlap with each other. So you should be very careful that it is not overlapping. Nothing is overlapping with each other. Now our master design of master slide part is over. Now how to come out from the master slide? We need to close slide master, then close master view. Now check every slide consists this one, that logo, line and slide number, your name, center number, candidate number. Okay, after that create a pie chart using the data N17 passion.csv. The chart should show the number of passenger by region 2019 only. Now we need to open the file passion.csv from the desktop. Passion.csv. Make all the data visible, block whole thing, double click between two column. Now what they're asking to do, create a pie chart using the data in the N17 passion.csv. The chart should show the number of passenger by region for 2019 only. So you have to according to the region you have to make a pie chart for 2019. So you will block the region first. Don't select the total because they did not mention about total, they mention about region and then value of 2019. Block this one, then go to insert menu, then select pie and select pie chart. After that what they are asking to do, label the chart with the title, this one. So you have to give chart title. So for that you have to go to layout, chart title, above chart, you have to write down this one. After that display a legend, display on each sector only the percentage value. Okay, now you have to display the legend. So the legend is there, and this one should be percentage value. So select in design view, and you'll see a lot of option is given for percentage value. This one is better for you. Now percentage value is visible, even the legend is visible. If you think your printer is black and white printer, so in that case you can keep black and white things also. Okay, now next one. Place the chart to the left of the bulleted point on the slide with the title Worldwide Cruise Passenger. Now first we have to find out where is the slide Worldwide Cruise Passenger. This one. And where I have to put this chart according to the question paper. Place the chart to the left of the bullet point on the slide with the title. Okay, worldwide. So left side you have to put, right? So what you have to do in this slide, you have to make this one a right side. Okay, and then from the Excel you just select here over this line and Control C and then Control V. Now it is overlapping, so you have to keep your chart in proper position, so it should not overlap with other. Okay, done. Now next one, set the slideshow so it loops continuously on screen. So evidence document, place in your evidence document screenshot showing your method. So you have to set one method, that is set the slideshow so it loops continuously on screen. So how to do that? Click on slideshow, then select setup slideshow, and you need to click here loop continuously until skip. Just take the screenshot and put it in your evidence document. The setup show, this screenshot should be in your evidence document, but before that you need to click here loop continuously until exit. Okay, done. Now next one, at last what they are asking to do, save the presentation, print the presentation, the handout 6 slide on the page, print this handout, make sure your name, center number, candidate number are on all slides. So in that case what you have to do, file, print. If you see here it is written full page slide, you need to click here. Now you will see handout is given, you can do any one, handout horizontal, handout vertical, select this one. But one thing you have to make sure that your name, center number, candidate number should be in your printout part, any part, either in footer or in header. So select header and footer, select footer and write down your name, comma, center number SA139, comma, candidate number 1234. But don't give my name, it should be your center number, your candidate number. Apply to all. Okay, done. And then you need to take print out. Okay, escape. Now next one, print only the slide with the title Worldwide Cruise Passenger. So you need to print only this slide. So for that you have to click file, print full page slide, because they mention here print only the slide with the worldwide cruise passenger. Make sure that this slide fill the full page. So first you have to understand what is the slide number of this one, 5, right? Worldwide cruise passenger. So slide number 5. So file, print. Instead of giving slide 6 slide horizontal, this one hands out, you have to give full page slide and you have to mention slide number 5, and you need to click here, then slide number 5 will come and you can print. And before printing also you just check whether your name, yes, name, center number and candidate number is given. I think this question paper is done. Okay, thank you for watching. If you want to if you have any question you can ask me later. Thank you.